Hi guys, I'm Miriam. Welcome back to Miriam's Manor. So today I'm bringing you another video for your snow village. I was working on my snow village and I'm almost done, by the way, but I realized I didn't want my church to be just on this first level here. I wanted to elevate it a little bit. So I created this base, and you guys, this project is so super simple and easy, I promise. The only materials I used was a 12 by 12 inch piece of styrofoam, my hot wire foam factory knife, and paint. That is it. Also, the physical time I spent working on this was only about 20 minutes. The total work time did take about an hour, but that's only because I allowed about 10 to 15 minutes between each coat of paint to dry. So as you can see behind me, this is how it turned out. I'm super satisfied. So check it out. Let me know what you think, and I hope it helps. So with my hot wire foam factory knife, I'm going to create little grooves on the front face of all the sides of this board, and I'm just gently and quickly putting this in and pulling it up so that I am taking chunks out of the face of this. And this is just going to create little like grooves and crevices on the surface that look really cool once it's painted. And like my other projects, this base is going to be gray as well. So I'm just taking some black and white paint. This particular brand I just picked up at Walmart. And I'm going to start with my black wash like I always do. So I'm going to put some black paint in this cup. I am going to add a tiny bit of water to this, mix it all up, and put on my first coat of paint. And this is the consistency of the black wash that I like to use. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint all four sides as well as the top of this piece. So in my same cup where I have my black wash, I'm just going to add some white paint to it, mix it up, and apply my first coat of gray paint. This will be my darkest coat of gray paint. And what I'm going to do is just take my brush in a sweeping motion over the surface of each side. So on the top of this, I'm just going to lightly dab the paint and blend it all into this top surface. And I'm going to go ahead and mix 2 more layers of gray paint going from darkest to lightest and apply it the exact same way on the sides and on the top. So my 3 coats of gray paint are all dry. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and add the snow detail. I've got a cap full of white paint, a thin paintbrush, and I'm just going to gently dab the side of each ridge. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, you guys. I'd really appreciate it. Also, if you know anyone who loves villaging as much as we do, please share these videos with them. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. And the next video that I will be releasing is another quick tip video for your snow village. This is me actually putting my snow village together, giving you brand new tips of what I do and what my process is. I will also be sharing some tips that I have received from you lovely subscribers. So click on that notification bell if you don't want to miss that. And until I see you again, stay safe, God bless you, and I hope to see you back really soon. Bye.